This is a bug zapper by Zap It, and it has 4,000 volts of bug zapping power. And look how cool this is. I just about love it. And it comes in different colors, but this is in black, and check it out. So to charge it, all you have to do is connect it to a USB port and you're good to go. It even comes with a charging cable. And this is how it works. All you have to do is push this button up, and then you push this black button in and this light will turn on, and then you're good to go. You can zap those bugs. Hi-ya! And if you want to do it at night to see the bugs, all you have to do is turn this knob on and this blue light will come on and you're good to go. Plus the bugs are attracted to it too. I just love this because you can use this inside as well as outdoors too. And this is perfect for mosquitoes, fruit flies, and what other bugs are bugging you. Now let's get ready to kick some bugs' butts. Let's see it in action. Woo! Yeah, baby. This is too fun. I was sent this from Zap It to evaluate and for me to give my opinion, and I just love it, and I think you will too. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful. Hi-ya!